Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to do another project share of some more fun Halloween embellishments I've been working on. And I made these with these dies. These two dies came from a gift pack from Julie Krabenhoff. I think they're in separate packages, so thank you so much, Julie. I've been having a lot of fun with these dies. And then this is one I ordered either through AliExpress. Yes, I think it was through AliExpress, and this one was from eBay a long time ago. So this is what I've been making. I love the skeleton cameo. I tried one in a pastel-oween here. I'm not sure how I feel about pastel-oween. Like, I love the pastel colors, but I know I'm more traditional with Halloween, the black and white, the orange and green. So I had more fun playing with these, and I just used some enamel dots that I had made a while ago, some ephemera, some confetti pieces here, some bows from the Dollar Tree. These are some bows I ordered online using stickles and little gems. These bows I made, and I have a tutorial up on them, as does Rebecca Creates here on YouTube. And these are pumpkins I had made last year, just using circle dies or punches. You could use either or. This mirror is from a Recollections pack. I think it was called Moonlit Manor or something like that. I bought it quite a few years ago, and I had just a little piece left, so I just started cutting out the mirrors and fussy cutting them and then using them. There's some more confetti pieces, some more enamel dots that I made, and a little dimensional spider. But yeah, I just love how these all came out. I think they're so pretty, and I just love the cameo look. And here's another green one I made. This is just a rolled flower from a rolled flower die. And there's the other one. I love the way this is kind of country. And I used some cheesecloth on some of these, like in the background there. So, yeah, I absolutely love how they turned out. They're so much fun to make, and I just wanted to do another project share. Hope to inspire. And happy haunting, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye for now.